welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the lead management automation step by step. So here on my screen, you can see a automation that I've created by connecting my lead gen application and my database so that whenever I receive a new lead through my ad, then instantly that lead is added as a new data inside my database, that is Airtable. So now here in this tutorial we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 hours every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business for lifetime because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, so after signing in, you can see our Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first, and for that we're going to click on this create workflow button. Then you can see two options. One is create from the scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we're going to select create from scratch and then it is asking for the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automate lead management step by step, and for the folder we're going to click on this drop down menu. Here you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can create and select it as per your requirement. And now here to create a new workflow we're going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you know that we are going to receive the new leads through Google Ads. So we're going to select our trigger as Google Ads and our app event as new lead form entry. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. Following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the URL, and here I've already logged inside my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I've drafted a test campaign inside which I've created a test lead form. But if you're running a live lead form, then you can set up the webhook inside that as well. Alright, so I've added a business name, then I've selected some required field, and here on the right side you can have a preview of the form that I've created. Then here you need to scroll a little down, then in the last you can see the option of lead delivery. So you need to select it, and under this you can see the option of webhook integration. Here for the URL I'm going to add the URL that I've received, and for the key we are going to give the name as test. After adding the required details, we are going to click on this send test data to receive the dummy response for all these fields on our webhook URL. So it says test data sent. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and you can see instantly we have received the details where we have received the company name as company name, random city, random phone number, random email address, last name value as last name, and first name value as first name only. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then instantly using the details we are going to create a new record for the same inside our database, that is Airtable. So for that we are going to add our action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Airtable. For the app event we are going to select create record, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection we are going to click on this connect with Airtable. Here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access, so we're going to add the all resources first, and then we're going to click on this grant access, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the base name and the table name. So I've already shown you that I have my base with the name Google Ads leads and my table as table 1. So we're going to select the same over here, And then here you can see it is asking for the lead's name, company name and other details. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here inside my Airtable. So now here, instead of entering the details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads, then instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first and then we are going to search for the first name. So this is the first name, then we are going to enter a space, then we are going to map the last name. Here for the company name, we are going to search for the company name. Then here we are going to map the phone number and here we are going to map the email address. Then lastly, we are going to map the city. Alright, so now after adding the required details, it says enable typecasting. We are going to select false and then we are going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new record inside our Airtable. So let me refresh this for you. And you can see a new data has been added over here. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here I've selected my trigger as my lead gen application and my action as my database. So that when I receive a new lead through my ad, then instantly that lead detail is captured and added as a new record inside my database, that is Airtable. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automate lead management step by step. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.